Welcome to CAD/CAM learning tutorial. In this tutorial, I will explain the some interview question in a Creo parametric. This is the very important in this tutorial for a interview purpose. So be carefully listen this all the 55 interview question in industrial purpose. Okay, what is the difference between the object reference and the geometric associativity? Answer: object references is the data management terms that has to do with the very way one object reference another. A geometric associativity has to do with how a part's geometry can be changed from the part or drawing. Second interview question: what are the file extensions given the sketch parts assembly drawings? Answer is sketch part extension file name is .sec, part .prt, assembly .asm, drawings .drw. This is the very important in any interview. Okay, when you go any interview in a AutoCAD, CATIA, Creo, ANSYS, this is the common questions for a design engineer. How should you create a new part or assembly and why? You should always create a new part or assembly using the copy from the option in the new dialog box. When clicking on the new, this is the open dialog box is, and then copy and start part, and this ensure the proper layer setup and save the view, datum planes and the parameters etc. What is the use of config.pro files? The very important, this is the important question. The config profile contains configuration options which control the behavior of a pro engineer. This is file is also contains user micro which are called the map keys. Next, 5 number question. What is a trial files? The trial files is a record of every menu peak and screen peak and keyboard input during an entire session of a pro engineer. This file can be retrieved and edited and replayed to retrieve work lost during an unexpected failure of a session. When a trialing a file, this question will be arise. So this is the important. What is the meaning of a store back? This is the important question. Store back refers to the behavior in which an object is the store back to the directory from where it was the open, not necessarily the current working directory. Okay. Seventh question. What is the difference between the file erase and file delete? The common question in any interviewer asks. File erase moves the object from the RAM of the computer. File delete removes the object from the disk and hard drive of the computer. Okay. What is the difference between the file save and file backup? This answer is here. File save store the object in the directory where it was the opened from the file backup copies the object to the specified directory using the same name. Ninth number question. After performing a file save as and what is the current object? After performing a file save as a command, the current object is not a new object, it is the old object. Because when you are assigning the first, open the first and this is the second file save. Okay, in a Creo parametrics. 10th number question. If I use the window in a Pro or engineers and close without the saving my models. Have I lost my work? No, because the by default saving is inside the crew parameter. The answer is no. Okay. 11th number question. Name 6 common assumptions the sketcher will make. The very important related to sketch question. Okay. Answer: 6 common assumptions the sketcher will make are as the follows: horizontal line, vertical, equal length lines, equal radius, diameter, collinearity, 90-degree, 80-degree, arcs, points, the same horizontal vertical point on the other entities. Entities is the lot of information inside the one. Look like line is the entity, arc is the also entities. Tangency, symmetricity, parallelism, and perpendicular lines. What is the difference between the one side and the both side in a extrusions? The answer is here. One side extrusion only one specific direction from the sketching plane, and both side extrusion both side of the sketching planes. Okay, just opposite. How do you change the dimension of a feature? Okay, modify, pick the feature and pick the dimension and enter the values and select the regenerate. It's easy. What is the model tree? The model tree is a graphical representation of the feature and components in the models. Model tree, use the help of a model tree, you edit the any object. Okay, this is the model tree, the very important. Define the parametric feature based on the modeling. It's a very important, the 3D, for a 3D interview question. Parametric means driven by the parameters. Feature base means you defined a series of a instruction feature to tell us the system you design intent. Modeling means creating a computer image coupled with geometric information defined a part or assembly. What is the datum planes created on the fly? Answer: the datum plane created on the fly means it was the created when you create, whether in the middle of a creating something else, it goes away after the things you really and wanted was created. These are the created using the make datum command. This is the important question. List 5 use the datum planes. Answer: 5 use of a datum planes are the following: sketching plane, reference planes, dimension, alignment, reference, geometric tolerance, creating cross section. Okay. 18 number question. List the 3 use of the datum axis. The 3 use of the datum axis are the follows: dimension and the align, reference, center line on a drawings, geometric tolerancing and coaxial holes. 19 question. List 2 use of a datum coordinate system. The datum coordinate system used while exporting to the IGS and STL. The very important is the format, IGS format and STL format for a Creo. Name a feature that can both and remove materials. Rounds and chamfer are the feature which can both add and remove the material. Adding the material and remove. When I apply the add and remove the feature, two features are also in any software: round and chamfer. Okay, its name is fillet. When do you feature relation evaluate? When the feature regenerates. What is the constant relations in a pro engineer and Creo engineer? Pro version is new in a Creo. Okay. A constant relation is used to put limit on a parameters, usually the dimension based, design intent and or a manufacturing limitations. Name the 4 types of a parameters: integer, real number, string, yes or no. Okay, the 4 types of parameters. What is a logic statement? Logic statements are a series of relations that are the test parameter value perform action based on the result of the test. Why should you comment the relations? You should comment the relation so that other user can understand what you are trying to accomplish with the relations. What does the short relation do? Short relation in a create of a circular reference within the relations. Question number 27. Can you add the motion to parts in a pro or engineers? Yes. Answer is yes. You will apply the motion analysis in a crew parametrics. How do you add the model parameters in a drawing notes? Use the ampersand and then parameters name and material ampersand. Okay. What is the difference between the move and move text? Move allow you to move the selected item anywhere, and move text allow you to move the selected items only the parallel to the elbow. Okay. Name the four types of tolerance formats available in the Pro Engineer. Nominal, no tolerance zone, plus and minus, and symmetric and limits. Okay. Which of the tolerance formats should you not use? Plus and minus, because manufacturing people want to do model at the min size or not the nominal size. What is a drawing symbols? Okay, it's a very important. Symbols is a collection of a draft entity that are stored together of a refuge one another drawings. Can a drawing reference more than one assembly? Yes. Can a pro engineer drawing be opened in a AutoCAD? Answer is no. But how? Kaise? Yes, but only after translate the DXF file, IGS file, .IGS, .DXF and .DWG file. The very important in interview question, VVI interview question. Can the units of a parameter change without the changing the size of the parts? Yes, with the help of a unit command. I have already one tutorials in this unit command. What are the steps required to get just one component default datum planes display in a assembly? Using the layer blank, the layer containing the default datum planes, pick the plus signs next to that layer in the layer display dialog box, then pick the component that you want to see the planes in and the pick of the shown in icon. 37. Why the above mentioned steps should be carried out? The answer is to be sure that when you creating a feature, you are using the datum planes in the part so that you don't make unwanted external references, parent and child's relations. What does save the status in the layer menu do? Save the status permanently sets the layers display status of a model so that when the models is saved open again the layer display is still that way. 39 number question. What function in the layer should you not use? It is normally recommended that beginner not use the isolate function in the layer display. Okay. When copy a feature, what is the difference between the dependent and independent in a pro engineer or a crew engineer? Depend means that the copy feature will changes when the original feature is a changes, and independent means that the new feature will not changes when you change the original feature. 41 number question. What is the difference about a feature that has a depend copy? When refining a feature that has a development and copy and alignment, the function in the sketcher is not available. Okay. How do you make a dependent copy feature independent from in a original feature. Answer A. Use, modify and make independent. 43 number question. What is the pro group and dir? Pro in a pro engineer and creo engineer. The configuration option is used to tell the system where you are keeping your UDFs. Okay. What should you do in a creating feature that are to be included in a user defined feature? Answer. The limit the number of a parent, and if multiply the features are to be included in the UDF, they should be share as many parent as possible to reduce the number of a prompt required to place the UDF into another part. 45 number question, near about the 55. Okay, so be patient. It's a very important in interview question. In family table is a very question in a striker. What is the genetic and what is an instant? In a pro engineer, the generic is the original model, and the instant are the created by the system based on the combination of the generic and the table instance. When you creating a bold size, you use the family table is a very important. Lot of assemblies when you creating a parts, and when you inserting the parts in a assembly, you need to family tables is reliable for the models in a when you changing are required, when you changing are needs. Okay, this is the family tables are very important questions. What types of a view should be first view and added to a drawing? A general, and you must orient using the save view from the models. 47th number question. Why should you use the display model on the drawing view? Because by default drawing view get their hidden lines removable from the environment. Each user environment may be different, using the drawing view to look different when other user open the drawings. Regarding the drafting questions, what is the show dimension? How to show the dimension? A dimension from the models. If you ensure a dimension is gone forever, no. Why it is good idea sort drawing early in the part design? Answer. Because it is easier to show the dimension from the model a few feature at the time. Start the drawing early and have the drawing process be a parallel process, or creating a part. In other words, creating a couple feature, go to the drawings, show the dimension from the feature on the drawings, go back the models and create a couple more features, so those dimension on the drawing etc. Okay. The 51 question. What is the best way to show the dimension? Use the preview and pick the feature from the model tree. 52 number question. How are the default model of a decimals place and default tolerance value determined for the part and the assembly? They are answer. They are the built into the start part and the start assembly. 53 number question. List 4 types of assembly constant. There are the very important in assembly questions. Mate, align, insert and orient. The 4 constant is the very important in interview purpose. Why should you put assembly component on a layer? Layer related question interview. So you can see the add new component to the assembly layer. Do not care about the parent child and relationship when you creating the layer. Regarding this question, last question in a Creo parametrics in this tutorials. How do you get a list of all the features in a models? And answer. Use info feature list and the first table of the contents. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more video in a Creo for interview question.